Hi friends, welcome to English class. Tag questions. 12th English Grammar, Unit 3, தமிழ்நாடு சமச்சீர் கல்வி. Task 1. Add suitable question tags to the following sentences and punctuate properly. First question. The children are very happy today. This is a positive sentence. Question tag will be negative. Are is the main verb. So question tag begins with are. The children is plural subject. The children is subject. It is plural. So the pronoun is they. So the answer is aren't they. Second question. You have not returned my books yet. The sentence is in negative. So the tag will be positive. Have returned is the verb. Have is helping verb. Returned is main verb. So we use have in question tag. Already the subject is in pronoun you. So the answer is have you. Third question. We enjoyed the trip very much. This is a positive sentence. So question tag will be negative. Enjoyed is the verb. It is a simple past tense. So the helping verb is did. Subject is we. Already it is in pronoun. So the answer is didn't we. Fourth question. Let's clean the shelves this weekend. The answer is easy. If the sentence begins with let, question tag will be shall be. So the answer is shall be. Fifth question. My mother rarely travels by bus. So this is a negative sentence. Rarely is the word used. So the question tag will be in positive. Travels is the verb. So the helping verb will be does. My mother is the subject. Subject is in singular. So the pronoun for my mother is she. The answer is does she. Somebody must be the cat. Sorry, somebody must bell the cat. The sentence is in positive. So the question tag will be negative. Must bell is the verb. Must is helping verb. Bell is main verb. So we use must in question tag. Somebody is the subject. So in question tag, we use the pronoun they. Answer, mustn't they? Seventh question. Anita never comes late to office. So this is a negative sentence. Question tag will be positive. Comes is the verb. So the helping verb is does. Anita is a subject. So the pronoun is she. Answer is does she. Eighth question. I am always the winner. Sentence is positive, so the question tag will be negative. Am is the verb, so am in question tag will change into are. Already the subject is in pronoun I. So the answer is aren't I. Ninth question. Don't commit this mistake again. This is a command. Sentence begins with don't. Therefore, answer will be will you. This is a negative command. Sentence begins with don't. So the answer is will you. Tenth question. There is a pharmacy near that bus stand. Sentence is in positive, so the question tag will be negative. Is the verb. A pharmacy is the subject. This is singular. So sentence begins with there. So we use there in question tag. Answer is isn't there. Bacteria can never survive in extreme weather conditions. So this is a negative sentence. So the question tag will be positive. Can survive is the verb. Can is helping verb. Survive is the main verb. So question tag we use can. Bacteria is the subject. The pronoun for bacteria is it. So the answer is can it. 12th question. I am not as smart as you are. The sentence is in negative. So the question tag will be in positive. Am is the verb. I is the subject. Already it is in pronoun. So am not. Already am is used and negative. So the question tag will be am I. The boys broke the window pane last evening. The question is in positive sentence. So the question tag will be negative. Broke is the verb. It is in simple past tense. So the helping verb will be did. The boys is the subject, plural. So the pronoun will be they. So the answer is didn't they. 14th question. Leaves wither during autumn. This is a positive sentence. Question tag will be negative. Wither is the verb. It is the plural verb. So the helping verb will be do. Leaves is the subject, plural. So the pronoun will be they. Don't they is the answer. D must be in singular. D must be smart. Last question. You should add a little salt to the buttermilk. Sentence is in positive, so the question tag will be negative. Should add is the verb. Should is the helping verb. Add is the main verb. You is the subject. Already pronoun is used. So question tag begins with the should. We use the helping verb in question tag. So the answer is shouldn't you.